Today, I'm in my kitchen and I decided I'm going to do a super thorough deep clean and organization today in this room. Our kitchen is not humongous or anything, so it's especially important for me to really go through every single cabinet, take out things I'm just not using anymore, get rid of it, donate it, because clutter can really build up easily in here because it is a smaller kitchen. So I really need to make sure I only have things in here that I really actually use. So I'm gonna take you guys along. Everything's not too crazy messy or anything, but I'm gonna go through each drawer, vacuum it out, wipe it out. It's just gonna feel so good. I really have to go through my fridge. I need to also go through my pantry, so I'm gonna take you guys along with my pantry organization as well. Our pantry is not very big either, but it's literally gotten out of control lately. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to comment down below, leave any organization or cleaning tips down there for me, and leave it down there for other people too, because other people like checking out some of the tips that you guys might have. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys like cleaning or organization videos, and let's just go ahead and get right into it. What I like to do whenever I clean my kitchen is start from the top to the bottom. So I like to get all the clutter, remove all the clutter off the counters and everything, and then I really like to start doing a thorough wipe down of everything, but starting from the top, because if there's anything at the top, it's gonna fall to the bottom, like any dust or anything like that. So that's what I'm gonna start doing. I'm gonna start with these upper cabinets. The upper cabinets definitely are a little more organized than the bottom cabinets and probably a lot less dirty. So I'm gonna focus a lot more of my time on my base cabinets opposed to the upper cabinets. I'm just using a Norwex cloth to wipe down all my cabinets today. Sorry if you guys can hear the dishwasher behind me. But a Norwex cloth is basically just a microfiber antibacterial cloth. It makes it super easy to wipe down stuff. You just get it wet. You actually don't need any product, so it's perfect for the kitchen. There's nothing new in this game. You got to give it up. The next thing I'm going to tackle is the refrigerator. I feel like I need a little break from like the cabinets and all that kind of stuff. And we were actually just out of town, so I have to get some of the old stuff out of there, get it all cleaned out. I'll probably just wipe it down with a damp cloth or something. And then Joshua just ran to the store to get a couple things for me, so then my fridge will be all clean when he brings that stuff home. So that's what I'm gonna tackle real quick now. Time for me to tackle these base cabinets. What I'm gonna do is probably take everything out, use my little Dyson vacuum here. Guys, this thing is awesome. I just got it like a couple weeks ago and I'm still obsessed with it. Don't mind, there's a piece of my hair hanging off of it. But anyway, that's what I'm gonna do next. I know it's gonna be quite the job, but after that, I'm almost done with this thing. This drawer is really awesome because it already has like a built-in little thing here for all my silverware. So it's really not that messy, so I might just vacuum it out a little bit. I don't even know if this drawer needs to be wiped down because it honestly looks pretty good. This drawer right here, this is where a lot of my kitchen utensils go, and I would like a more organized way to keep all this stuff in here besides just throwing it in. But if you guys have any suggestions for me, let me know down below because I really don't know what to do. I almost feel like even if I had like organizers for it, I wouldn't have the space to put everything that I need in it. Maybe I would, maybe I could try it, but let me know what you guys think. Honestly, I don't have too hard of a time like finding anything in here. I just know it doesn't look very pretty like that. Now this drawer down here is definitely the most annoying because it's actually super deep. It goes all the way to like the back of the cabinet right here. So it's really deep and it doesn't have any like pull-out drawers. So that's a little bit annoying. So I kind of have to sort through here, probably get rid of some things that we don't use too often. But yeah, there's a lot of random stuff in here.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me. Just watch me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait to see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me. Give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Next, I'm going to work on this little pantry area. I feel like I got the kitchen done and it feels really good. So we just went on a camping trip and of course we bought a bunch of junk food to take with us. So that all just got piled on in here, and yeah, there's just like a bunch of stuff that's probably expired that I need to get rid of and everything. And hopefully I can just have a little bit more organization in here. Like I said at the beginning of the video, we don't have a huge kitchen, so I really have to be minimal with what I keep in here, and I have to have like a good system.
Watch me.
I finished up the pantry and I feel like it looks pretty good. It's obviously not perfect and I feel like we still have a lot of stuff in here, but I'll kind of walk you guys through. So basically up top we just have our waffle maker because we never really use it that much, so it's way at the top. I have some extra paper towels up there, and then in the basket on the left is all like boxed type foods, and then the right basket is mostly like chips and pretzels. We don't get into those too frequently, so it's not a huge deal with them up there. Next, this is kind of like the baking station in a way, I guess, because I have like my chocolate chips, flour, sugars, different things like that. But I also have like our wraps. We eat those wraps like every single day. They're our favorite. That right there, those are just like some bars that we eat, and then cashews. So those are just like quick, easy snacks to grab. This bottom one is basically just extra things or canned foods. Extra ketchups, mayo. I have peanut butter over there somewhere. And then I have a stock of veggie chips because I am obsessed with those. I love those chips so much, so whenever I can find them, I normally just like stock up. They're so delicious. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's way better than it was before. I got rid of a lot of stuff and just reorganized it, so that feels a lot better. I've been working for hours on this kitchen. You guys have already seen the completed pantry, but I thought I would just kind of give you guys a little bit of a tour, show you kind of the organized stuff, I guess. But it feels so good to have this finished. It took a lot longer than I thought it would, but I did get a little box over here of stuff that I'm probably gonna donate or something, just things that I noticed I never really use ever. So if you come around this way, you can see I just basically wiped out all of the cabinets and just reorganized a little. These upper cabinets really weren't bad at all. They were pretty good. I still have to unload the dishwasher because I started it while I was cleaning, so we do have like more cups and stuff that will go in there. And then this one, I got rid of a few coffee mugs, so that's a little more bare. And then up here where all like kind of like random spices that I use a lot are. I was thinking it would be nice to get like one of those round little turny tables. I don't remember what they're called, but I don't know, I see them at like Home Goods and stuff. And I thought that might be nice up there, so it'd be easier to get stuff that's farther back, like with the round spinny thing. So I feel like that would be really good for organizing. And then nothing really changed with our spices. The fridge looks way better, as you guys can tell. So that's really nice. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Now I'm gonna start getting the kitchen messy again because I'm gonna get dinner started. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what room in my house you would like to see me clean next. Hope you guys are having a great week, and I'll see you really soon in my next video.